before I start, may I request the organizing committee to give me 1 or 2 minutes to talk about this DTA Sangamam and what is my personal experience, not being from Tamil Nadu but from Bangalore, from Karnataka. Then when I start, maybe the time can tick. But the time I start to tick, I don't want to. Okay. Vanakkam. So how do you respond to Vanakkam? It's Vanakkam only. Okay. Vanakkam. Namaskara, that's from Bangalore. Sat Sri Akal and Adab. It's amazing to see so many stakeholders from our industry on one platform. It's very encouraging where you share your ideas, your experiences for mutual business growth. In our industry, among all this, what I see personally in this DDA Sangamam is something very different. The togetherness, the coming of together for, I don't know what is the common cause, and the camaraderie and willing to support and even willing to sacrifice your personal time for sake of something good. What I heard in this event also is the charitable thing that the DDS Sangam is doing. This is unexpected or unprecedented. So a big round of applause to the DDS Sangam for creating such a wonderful thing. I think it's a very clear message to the industry. There's a right way to look at things. We can be fierce in the market, we can have our own personal interests, but to raise above that and look at common objectives which can actually do good than bad is the right message we are passing from here to the industry. Even nation needs such togetherness, such camaraderie, even the world needs today. So thank you for this wonderful platform and wonderful gathering. I wish you the best. Now we can start the timer.
Thanks, officer, for your appreciation and acknowledgement.
Thank you so much. My name is Afsar. I'm the founder, director of the company Operon Biotech and Healthcare. So please visit our stall to know more about that because I cannot go into details. I would very quickly wrap up and give you the basic idea of what we do. We revel in, I started this company in 2008 after having over 10 years of experience in the industry. Somehow coagulation has stuck to me from the first company that I worked to the business and even today. And we revel, we take pride, and we take pride in calling ourselves as composite coagulation experts. The first product that I would like to talk about in our range is a qLab Electrometer. POCT, I don't have to tell you the concept of POCT, everyone knows it. But POC in coagulation is not a very regular thing to find. So we have a PT-INR meter. About the application, I will go to the next slide. But here, where does this product find applications? In ICUs, in Haemophilia clinics, in ITUs, in emergencies, in casualty departments, even for personal care, for oral anticoagulation monitoring. Next slide, please. So PT-INR is the most commonly asked parameter. It helps you, the clinicians, to analyze the bleeding defects, the extensive pathway defects, and even the common pathway. Patients who are on vitamin K treatment and also on oral anticoagulation. APTT is the second most commonly asked parameter in coagulation. It's basically used for determining the intrinsic factor deficiencies. And also patients who are on heparin, anticoagulation monitoring, to know the levels, and for lupus inhibitors and other inhibitors also. So there are three main reasons why APTT is used. And fibrinogen, one of the, I think on a POCT platform, fibrinogen is unheard of. We are proud to launch a product. So we have two variants basically in the qLabs. One for personal testing, for PT-INR, that's for oral anticoagulation. You know how many heart valve replacement surgeries happen in a city like Chennai? I think not less than 2,000 per year. So 2,000 meters are required. Otherwise, the patient will come up with a very bruised, stunt after 2-3 years because of poor management of anticoagulation. So doctors highly recommend a PT-INR meter for self-testing at home to properly manage these warfarin levels. So we are losing out a big business to the competition just because we are not aware. So we have a PT-INR meter. Why does she say that? In an obstetric coagulopathy, the fibrinogen levels drop within 10 minutes to a very low levels. And if not treated timely, it can be life-threatening. The only solution in that situation is to infuse a fibrinogen concentrate. On the contrary, if the fibrinogen levels are very stable, let's say 400, and it's not dropping to 300 and 200, transfusion can be completely avoided. That's the importance of fibrinogen testing in an obstetric setup. So do promote this amazing product. The loss of blood in a obstetric coagulopathy patient, it's a rare event, but if it happens, it's very dangerous. So right result, they cannot rely on the lab report, because the loss of blood is about 700 ml in 1 minute. So waiting for a lab report for 45 minutes means we are losing the patient. So do promote this amazing product. More about this report you can collect from Mr. Salhoni. Yeah, next slide please. So in the 2020 December, we formed a company called Define Bio Innovations with the whole objective of doing something indigenous. So we developed the first coagulation analyzer called as Fibritimer Zeta 1, which is a patented technology of dual technology, and it's the first made in India product. It has a lot of features, but I can't go into details. Next slide please. So we have an entry-level automation, time tested with over 150 satisfied users. One of the best entry-level automation with comprehensive test menu support. Next slide please. So the parameters that support for our coagulation, be it semi-automated or automated, is the PT and APTT in various pack sizes. PT also is offered in liquid. Then we have fibrinogen. Then we have APCR testing, factor assist, lupus anticoagulants, thrombotic panel, D-dimer, thrombin time, fibrinogen quantification by modified clause. A whole complete coagulation reagents to back up. Next slide, please. So the questions for today: Operon Biotech was founded in which year? The right answer would. Right answer, Lokesh 2008. Right answer, blue person. Please give the gift. Next question: Operon Biotech is popular for biochemistry, immunology, coagulation. Right answer. Right answer. Um, Next question: What is the startup wing that was formed in 2020 called as? I think he told the last person. Please, your name. Karthik. Why qLab Electrometer today is the most exciting POC in the Indian market? Just because all of the above. Remember. Okay. Next slide. Next slide. No, this one. This one. Achha, sorry. No. Why is Fibritimer Z1 popular for? Is it because it's Indian made? Is it because it has dual technology? Because it has comprehensive parameters, or because most affordable?
Australian most affordable.
I think it's all of the four. I've not given there's an option, but it's all of the four. So nobody gets the gift. What format of PT-APT do we offer to our customers?
Lyophilized. Only lyophilized.
Lyophilized and liquid in multiple packs. Right answer. Next slide. Thank you. Thank you so much. Nandri.